Okay everyone, today we are back. We've completely cleared this room out. The mattress frame came early, so everything has been stripped out except for that. Right there, we're going to be vacuuming these carpets. Our vacuum choice is the wind tunnel high capacity from Hoover. There's lots of surface dirt, trash, and other garbage. And then we're going to deep clean the carpets using the Bissell Pro Heat Turbo on-brake carpet cleaner. Of course, before you carpet clean, you got to get the surface dirt up, and you got to groom the carpets and get all the dry stuff. So, without further ado, let's get started with the Hoover. Okay, so I'm going to start my second camera angle. Let's get started. So in just one single pass, this is all the dirt. This is all the dirt. And whoops, stupid door in the way. This is all of the, look at the difference. You can see the carpet's all matted right here, and then the Hoover has just brought the fibers right back up. So let's continue cleaning. The difference that this wind tunnel is making. Now let's go here. Look at those groom lines. That is fantastic. The difference that this Hoover is really making in the carpets. It's really incredible. I'll move the Bissell up just a little bit so I can clean into the doorway. Looking for agitation. This Hoover has really good airflow, suction power, agitation, and it really gets deep down. And the wind tunnel technology means it scatters less and picks up more. Look at the difference. Look at that brush hole. It's going right down and it's beating those carbon fibers and releasing all the sand, dirt, hair, grime, and everything else that's embedded deep down. Got that right up, no problem. Got that. Again, no problem. Let's see how well it can do an edge clean. And hopefully my camera doesn't get in the way. Nope. Never ever want to vacuum that up by accident. That would be a disaster. Alright, let's switch back to my normal hand. Alright, continue cleaning. I'm really interested to see the turnout at the end of this video. Let's go in a different direction this time. Let's go this way. Okay, so let's check out what's in the bin. Let me move my second camera. Okay, everyone, we're back. We have the total quantity of dirt that was removed from the carpets with the Hoover high capacity upright vacuum. Here is all of the nastiness. There's just hair, fluff, a little bit of carpet fibers, just some dirt, this thing, this thing, this thing, this bandage pieces. It's just truly disgusting. Look at, here's a super close up of what was really down in that carpet. Wood chips, sand, there's the button, whatever that thing could be, pieces of broken plastic, piece of torn paper, fuzz, just everything you could really think of. And there's still some in the bin that didn't come out. You can see there's hair up here. But overall, this Hoover just did a completely phenomenal job of cleaning, and just really look at the carpet fibers. They're soft, and they've been brought back up and they are clean. But we're gonna clean with the Bissell, and we're gonna really restore these carpets and get them next level deep cleaned with the Bissell Pro Heat. So I hope you enjoyed this, everyone. Please tell me what you think. What do you want to see next? Well, you know what's gonna come next, the carpet cleaning. But I will see you next time with more videos. Goodbye.